Secret codes on this phone, on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dealer and make sure to be in keypad panel, because this is the place where we'll be entering secret codes. I will just change the brightness so you can see it clearly. And now let's enter the first code, the shortest one, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, you've got unique numbers assigned to your device, so it will allow you to check email for both SIM cards and also serial number. Tap on OK to close it. And now it's time to enter the second code, super useful and also quite easy because it's *pound 1234 pound. So as you can see, it's not difficult to remember, and here you can smoothly check the firmware version. So that's it, let's go back. Another code, actually that's my favorite, it's *pound 0 *pound, and here we are in test mode. So here you can test your device. If you would like to check the display, just click on red, green, blue, and black. So as you can see, red is working properly. Then to exit it, just tap once on the screen, just like this. So green, and tap once to close it, blue, click once, black. You need to tap on power key to close it. If you would like to check, for example, speaker, just mark it and tap on it again to finish the test. Then we can do the same thing with speaker 1. And as you can hear, it's also working properly. Then we can check also the receiver. Now we can hear it clearly. Then the vibration. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can both hear it and feel it. They are working properly, and this is it, so you can test your device. So let's go back, and another code that you can enter is advanced service mode. So actually that would be the longest code. It is *pound 268 3662, and then pound at the end. And here we've got the service mode. If you will tap on more icon, you will find access to key input, to select section, obviously back, so you will just go back, help, Wi-Fi details, and you can smoothly end it by tapping on end. And that would be all. Then if you would like to check your battery status, just enter *pound 0228 and pound at the end. And here you can check the battery status, so you can read current value, label block, average value, and so on. So that would be all. Let's go back. Then whenever you'd like to manage USB settings, just enter *pound 0808 and pound at the end. And here, by using the switcher, you can change the USB settings and tap on OK then. So that's it. As you can see, we've just changed the USB setup. And the last code that I would like to share with you today is the firmware version that we can check. And to do it, just enter *pound 2663 and pound at the end, so as in all codes. And here you can check the firmware version, so it's not just a shortage, but the whole info regarding your firmware version. You can also refresh your Wi-Fi if you want to, and that would be all. So actually these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today that you can use in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.